Hey everyone, welcome back to Streaming Nose, and today we're gonna make a video about Samsung Buds and we're gonna clean them up. I've been using them from last 2 years or maybe 3 years, and then now the sound is not that clear because there's some wax that's gone into the buds. So we'll try our best to clean it up. So let's get into the video. So let's get right into it. I have this small little pry tool that I will be using. So you can see right here, it's good. But now what we're going to do is we're going to use another tool, which is our toothbrush. This is telling its story itself. It has been used quite a little bit, so I'm going to use it to clean my buds. So let's see, guys. So I hope you are able to see it. You can see it right there. So I'm going to do some magic.